Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Discover the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 26th of September, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.81. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a significant and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is noted, which may indicate an early signal of a shift in trend. On the reaction, there will be support at the threshold of the recently broken trend, which stands at $29.52. This level could provide a second chance for traders looking to capitalize on upward movement. According to fan theory, $49.91 may emerge as the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance point that could prove challenging to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of 51.04% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 88.74% to 63.56%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 56.49% over the next year, with expected returns between 8.39% and 194.27%. This translates to a price range of $42.97 to $116.68 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, High Volatility in SOXL ETF Price on Thursday, which ended trading at $39.65. The SOXL ETF price gained 10.94% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, rising from $35.74 to $39.65. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it can continue its upward trend or take a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 10.20%, reaching a low of $36.76 and a high of $40.51. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 of those days and is up by 24.65% over the last 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 70 million more shares traded compared to the day before. In total, 136 million shares changed hands for approximately $5.4 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $14.01. Currently, the price is 43.42%, or $30.43, below the 52-week high, and 89.52%, or $338.59, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price soared to $378.24. Recent developments surrounding SOXL, the leveraged exchange-traded fund focused on semiconductor stocks, highlight significant risks and potential rewards for investors. As demand driven by artificial intelligence surges, semiconductor companies like NVIDIA, AMD, and Broadcom have outperformed broader indices since 2021. However, this comes with heightened volatility, making SOXL a high-stakes play. Recent analyses indicate that SOXL is in a precarious position, with some experts cautioning that it could see losses of up to 80% based on current technical indicators. This stark warning comes after the ETF has already dropped 25% this year, suggesting that its leveraged nature can exacerbate negative trends. While hopes for a year-end rally persist, driven by expected growth in artificial intelligence and semiconductor demand, investors must weigh these potential gains against the inherent risks. In the short term, traders may capitalize on price fluctuations leading to possible rebounds. However, the long-term outlook remains uncertain, especially with the possibility of continued volatility driven by macroeconomic factors and market sentiment. For those considering SOXL, it's crucial to engage in prudent position sizing and risk management while being aware of the high stakes involved. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support levels can be found at $34.88 and $34.58. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, in the year 2024, and so far, it has increased by 51.22%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 36 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 115 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund discovers support just below today's level, stemming from accumulated volume around $35 and $32.16. There is an inherent risk when an ETF tests a support level. If that level is breached, the ETF may drop to the next support point. In this scenario, SOXL finds support just below today's level at $35. If this level is compromised, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $32.16 and $31.46. This ETF can experience significant price fluctuations during the day, indicating a high level of volatility, and with a considerable prediction range from the Bollinger Band, it is regarded as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $3.75 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 10.20%. For the week, SOXL has shown an average daily volatility of 6.53%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $39.78. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $35. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $37.52, reflecting a decrease of 5.38%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. The Relative Strength Index, calculated over 14 days, stands at 81, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal originating from a pivot top detected 55 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive trends, and the recent breakout from a downward trend suggests a potential shift in momentum. We believe that the price levels near this breakout point are particularly promising, though the current level also presents a favorable buying opportunity for the short term. We have revised our analytical conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of September, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower by approximately 677 cents and begin trading at $38.97. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.